We had the full reveal of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra thanks to OnLeaks and Smart Pre, and their main changes that they showed us were symmetrical bezels, and with the sensors on the rear that were flush with the rear glass panel. Ice Universe tweeted a couple of days ago though, and he says that this information is incorrect. He says that we're still going to have a narrow forehead and a bigger chin, and he also says that the sensors on the rear are not going to be flat and there's still a little bulge. This means essentially that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to look pretty much the same as the S22 Ultra. A previous leak suggested that S23 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery. The battery looks identical to the one that Samsung includes in the S22 Ultra. Another leak that came out last week revealed that the S23 Ultra would support 25-watt fast charging. That's lower than the 45-watt charging that the Galaxy S22 Ultra supports. However, Samsung generally uses a 25-watt charger in the certification process, even if this phone support a maximum of 45-watt. As we saw, the S22 Ultra Samsung's 45-watt fast charging offers marginal improvements over 25-watt charging, and we really hope Samsung offers quicker charging times with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 45-watt fast charging protocol. The Galaxy S23 Ultra seems like it'll be building on this in a few ways, most notably with a main camera somehow stuffed with a rumored 200 megapixel, and the traditional yearly chipset update for more performance and power efficiency. They're using optical stabilization so the lens moves to counteract any shake, but as the name suggests, sensorship stabilization is the movement of the actual sensor. The back camera lenses are actually slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra, with two sensors on the side now flushed in for an even cleaner look. The camera have changed slightly, with the right-hand side sensors that being flush with the rear panel. The S23 Ultra is taller by 0.1 mm, wider by 0.2, probably because of that change in the roundness, and also thinner, interesting enough, by 0.1. The Galaxy S23 is wider by 0.2 mm. There's still a few months to go until the new Samsung flagship phone takes to the stage, but when will be released? The Galaxy S22 launched in February, so we'd expect a similar timeline for the Galaxy S23. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.